So here in the Echotraders room, it's almost 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, Tuesday. This is live in the room. Whoops, I lost the chart. Okay. We're looking at the CL. We have a target to the downside. It's looking like it's ready to roll over, and our MACD indicates look for resistance. So we found resistance here. We're just going to use an outline on here. We don't have it on there yet. And we're just looking at this area here as your new resistance, at least temporarily on your CL. So that's your resistance area. And this is your 50 moving average, your 50. And the market has tested this area at 65.2 and came to 1, I think, 60.51. And so that demonstrates their willingness to trade below your 50 moving average. An average consists of numbers to the upside as well as to the downside. That creates the average. And we're looking at this here to roll over here and produce a target to the downside. Our next target area to the downside that we would like to see is your 60.26. That's way down here. And that would be resistance to support. I'll put that on the chart now. So I added the resistance just as a point of reference. We had a high here of 61.10 on CL, so you had your $61 a barrel. Those of you that were looking for $60 a barrel, that was fine. You got that. At resistance to go higher, you still got your $61 a barrel. So if you took some of your position off in your long positions, you did very well. Now we look for this here SMA, the purple line on the chart, to give way to the downside. It's holding pretty good as support between the two. The market is trading slightly below our EMA, and that I'll highlight the EMA is the blue line on the chart. And when the price action candle, and that's what you have at 6075 and 6074, and we'd like to see it drop a little more. And what we'll look for is your divergence up here on your MACD. We'll look for your MACD divergence to drop down below 0. The histogram is already down there. We're waiting for the yellow line to diverge more, and we're looking for a target. Now, the short-term target would be 60.26, and almost any one of these, you're looking at the pullback to the 23. From the 23, we're looking to trade back to 60.70, and the market has done that. It came back down here to the 60.70, and this time, if we can break down below our SMA, as I had mentioned, we'll look for the next target at 6036. I know it's a little bit hard to see. Just a second. There it is, 6036. Money off target is 6044. And I'll put that on over here. Just one sec. Thereabouts. Okay. So that's what we're looking at here. We'll come back and keep you informed. It is getting late in the day, so be careful. Okay, here we are about an hour later, 1:57, almost 2 o'clock. This has been a slow and very methodical rollover here. It hasn't been quick and easy by any means, and you may not have been able to hang on to that short position. Market has retested our resistance area up here, and we're looking for a target of 60.26. Now, our prior target, which was reached earlier, was 6052. You can see it in black here at your 161.8% at 60.52. In red here at your 23 is 60.52. And here the market came to 60.51. It's hard to see, but it is a 1. At that, it pulled back into our resistance area and retested resistance here at your crosshairs right here and pulled back down into 60.52, that first target down. Now we want to see our next target down, and I'm going to put the crosshairs on that one too. 60.26. Over here on the left-hand side, you have 60.27, and here in the middle, and again, it's a little hard to see, our fibs running up are the fibs we're coming back to at 60.26. So you have a nice confluence here. They're just baby stepping into the cold water. Brrr, I don't know if I want to go or not. We'll see if we'll check back on this after a bit. Here we are back in the room. It's about 20 after 2, almost 21 minutes after 2 Eastern Standard Time. I want to go back to that CL trade. What we're looking for here is, we had mentioned our confluence area at 60.26. The market's having a hard time getting down there, but they are in our support and resistance area that we wanted to see. The market has retested the top, just barely. So we'll see if we can get down here to this year target yet, and we'll check back in a couple more minutes. So they've retested this. We just need some follow through. So on the CL trade, it's 2:45 in the afternoon. We're all done trading. Stops have been taken out to the downside, and hey, we gave her a good shot. Entrance up here at 60.98, 60.90 area here, and targets filled to 6052 and beyond. This year, large pullback here has taken out stops, taking us out of the market, but in the money. All right, so till next time, trade well, my friends.